Hello, and welcome to our Shampoo Soundstage Pro video tutorial. Soundstage is your ticket to realistic surround sound with nothing but a pair of headphones. Here's how it works. First, make sure to install the virtual sound card driver during the installation of the Soundstage software. Once launched, the application allows you to select the audio output device that connects to your headphones. This can be a hardware-based sound card or a pair of Bluetooth or USB-powered headphones. In this example, I'll select my Plantronics Bluetooth headphones. The settings also allow you to pick between different audio formats to select the one that best matches your audio and video files. If you know the movie you're about to watch supports 7.1 surround sound, make sure to select that setting. In any case, 5.1 is a safe bet for the majority of your surround media and also works great with traditional stereo recordings. The loudspeaker display on the start page automatically adapts to your currently selected audio format. Click Headphone Surround to activate the Virtual Surround feature for your headphones. To give you a better idea of what the program will do for you, I'm going to play an audio recording of a busy street with Virtual 5.1 surround sound enabled. The virtual loudspeakers on the start page make it easy to identify which direction the sound is coming from. Since this is a software solution, you can alter the audio experience at the click of a button. We've included several locations that represent audio parameters captured in recording studios around the world to help you find the setting that sounds best to you. Take London, for example. The experience will still be immersive, but feel slightly different as I'm going to demonstrate now. You'll hear the difference right away. Even if you have no surround sound enabled files, your videos and songs will sound better with Soundstage, whether it's a Spotify stream or local file. Use the Headphone Surround button for an instant before-after check. Very soon, you'll never want to listen to your files without Soundstage Pro ever again. With some audio equipment, the volume may be too low to be enjoyable. That's why we've included a volume boost. Make sure to read the safety warning though, as this function really packs a punch. That's it for today's video on Soundstage Pro. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. As always, use the link below to try out the program for free. We're positive you'll love Soundstage surround sound as much as we do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.